Here is a wonderful 2015 Lexus RX. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a refined and capable Lexus RX, the premium SUV with available third-row seating, a serene cabin, and silky smooth ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Savor the journey in this silky, smooth riding RX. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.